Okay, so we're going to show how to create, to change the motor so that you can have a reverse flow or change the flow direction of the pump as you mount it. The first thing to do is to take off the mounting plate that you have on your pump. And then we're going to do some markings here because we're essentially going to rotate. We're going to rotate this part here is called the front end bell assembly of the motor. We're just going to mark an alignment here on the front end bell in relation to the mounting holes, and then just on the opposite side we're going to mark this line here. What we're going to do is we're going to gently raise this front end bell. We're going to loosen it, and then we're going to raise it and just rotate so that this line comes all the way around and aligns with this line here, which will effectively rotate the unit. Therefore, when you put the pump head on, it'll be also rotated. So one thing that you're going to see is this front end bell is tightly adhered to the shell of the unit. So we're going to use a rubber mallet to carefully hit this off and have it clear, loosen, so we can do the rotation as we'll show here. The next thing is we remove the two bolts that hold it together. We want to push back the O-ring. The O-ring pushes forward, so push the O-ring all the way back. And have that. Then we're going to now try to loosen the front end bell. You have to kind of hit it, sort of an outward force. We're just loosening up the engagement, and there's an O-ring in there. Okay. So now this is loose. Now we're going to pull this apart, but don't pull it all the way, otherwise the whole motor disassembles. There's a magnetism that you're going to feel. You just need to pull the end bell enough where you can start rotating it. It'll rotate into place. It's a little bit difficult, but you'll find the engagement. There are notches inside, so once you rotate it this way, you'll see how it engages correctly. We've just rotated the entire front end bell all the way around. Now it's lined up again. You can put your bolts back in. When you put them in, you'll find that the bolts have to go through and find the hole on the other side. It takes a little bit of moving around. Put the bolts back together, and so there you have it. Now when you put your base plate, your mounting bracket back on, and your pump head, you'll find that you have effectively reversed the flow of the pump. So try that, let us know how it goes, and hopefully everything is good. Thank you.